In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add axis titles in Excel. To begin, click once on your chart so Excel knows that is the object you want to work with. This is important because the chart tools and options only appear when the chart is selected. After you click on the chart, look to the top right corner of it. You should see a small green plus icon. This is the Chart Elements button, and it gives you quick access to useful chart features. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A small menu will appear with several options you can turn on or off for your chart. In that menu, move your mouse over the option labeled Axis Titles. Hovering there helps you confirm that you are selecting the correct chart element before turning it on. Next, click the checkbox next to Axis Titles. As soon as you do that, Excel will add title boxes directly onto the chart. You should now see one text box along the bottom of the chart for the horizontal axis, and another text box along the side for the vertical axis. These are placeholder labels, and they are ready for you to edit. Now click inside the Axis Title box at the bottom of the chart. This is the horizontal axis title, so this is where you should type the label that describes the categories or values running from left to right. Keep the wording simple and specific so anyone reading the chart can understand what that axis represents. After that, click inside the Axis Title box on the left side of the chart. This is the vertical axis title. Type the label that explains the values shown from bottom to top. Just like the horizontal title, it is best to make this clear and concise so your chart is easy to read at a glance. Once both titles are entered, click anywhere on the background of the worksheet. This will save your labels and deselect the text boxes. At that point, your chart will display both axis titles, making the information more organized and much easier for others to understand. Adding axis titles is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional and readable your chart looks. That covers everything you need to know.